just like,
Yeah, we're just like, we're like just like best friends. We don't like trying. Not too showy, not too cheesy.
Guys, I don't know if natanong na, pero ano yung reaction nyo dun sa sobrang warm nung mga fans dun sa Teen Vogue feature ninyo?
Sa Teen Vogue?
Oo.
Sila, proud na proud sila. Ang daming nag-post and they're all happy about it. Really happy.
Kayo, as a couple, anong sasabi nyo dun sa naging feature?
She's really happy because she needs to go.
Okay.
Yeah, not so much, but I'm very happy to be part of it. So glad that they asked to interview us during our concert tour in the States.
Doon sa feature kasi parang sinabi na kayo yung couple na nagbibigay ng parang hope somehow dun sa mga fans na mga hopeless romantic. Any reaction about that?
Yeah, I mean, our love story is a very unexpected one. So maybe that's why I guess it's very inspiring.
Yeah, same. Ina, it's really unexpected. Parang, after that announcement, parang we shocked everyone during the concert.
do you find time for conventional dating? Kasi wala kayo sa showbiz, mga wala sa showbiz, they eat out, they watch movies, how do you do that?
It's eating out is difficult. Plans, pictures, everything privacy. So I mean, our idea of dating is not.
Yeah, it's
We're
not
always, when we go out, we're always with our friends.
is that good?
Yeah. Yeah.
Update na lang sa Till I Met You. Anong aabangan ng fans?
Yes, well, Till I Met You po kasi medyo magiging shock for everyone because it's different. Yeah, yung team po kasi niya may merong konti sa LGBT community. So, we're excited to see everyone's reaction.
And you're working with a newcomer, si JC.
Yeah.
And naging viral yung, I mean sa teleserye.
Yeah.
Naging viral yung first shooting niyo yata ni JC.
Yeah.
Kamusta naman siya?
Yes, masaya din naman siya kausap. I mean, we have a lot to talk about and we have a lot of common friends. So, yeah. Okay lang po siya nagtrabaho. Wala lang maisip.
When was the last time you enjoyed the destination? And just be
A few
yourself?
weeks ago, kasi nag-vacation din po ako. I had a 2-week vacation. So, yun.
What did you do?
No work, ganyan, vacation.
Tulog-tulog? Like tulog-tulog? Or
Yeah,
what?
tulog, chill.
Gym, exercise,
Yun ang simple things.
Go out.
Tell us about your endorsement.
Yes, yung sweet and spicy barbecue burgers, like, well, it's really, really something different. Parang we're used to the burger.
just steak and gravy.
And mushroom. Ito kasi, it's like parang, wala ko, I honestly love it. It's what I ate this morning, breakfast. So, hindi siya, kahit makailan ako, hindi siya nakakasawa.
If you were to choose between all the tastes, maasim, matamis, maalat, isa lang, kung isa lang matitira sa iyong panlasa.
It's bad pero maalat. Yeah.
So,
Maalat. Yeah.
so knowing that, James, what do you always give?
Maybe.
Knowing na mahilig siya sa maalat. Or do you know? Or of course you know.
She's like very rich. Very, very, very rich.
Ganun yan.
Ang weird kasi, wala. Ayan.